Wait, is this a wedding, or this is a shampoo advertisement? Look at the beach, the flowers, the ocean. Would you like to get married here, or would you? Wearing your wedding hair might get messy because of the wind. Or, what if the father-in-law's wig, I meant the fake hair, blows away? Or, even worse, what if the food on the table gets covered in sand? How to tell the scene in English. Welcome to our party. Welcome to Power Up English. Today, we're not just daydreaming, we're learning English with this picture. We are happy to see you are interested in this beautiful picture. In fact, many women think this is a dream wedding. Today, this video will help you describe a scene, like in the picture, with appropriate vocabulary and confidence in 3 different levels. First, an elementary level. It's a simple, clear, easy to say. Then intermediate level. It goes a little deeper, a little longer, but helps you to build up stronger sentences. And then advanced level. It boosts your expression skills and helps you sound more like a pro, a native speaker, or even to get an excellent grade in your English public exams. You'll learn how to talk about feelings, atmosphere, setting, and places. Just like a professional, it's perfect for English learners. Before you get your ears ready, press subscribe power up. Then you can keep learning. We don't need a ring here. Before you hear, I do, let's start.
Let's start with the elementary level first. This is a beautiful beach wedding. The weather is sunny, and the sky is blue. People are sitting on white chairs. There are pink flowers everywhere. Everyone looks happy. The sea is calm and blue. It is a special and lovely day. Here is the intermediate level. This photo shows a romantic beach wedding. The aisle is covered with pink rose petals, leading to a white altar by the sea. The guests are dressed nicely and are sitting on white chairs. The decorations are elegant, with many fresh flowers. The blue ocean and sky make the atmosphere peaceful and joyful. It feels like a perfect day for love and celebration.
Let us review a few vocabs that we just heard.
Aisle. The definition is a long, narrow space between rows of seats in an aircraft, cinema, or church. For example, would you like an aisle seat? Or would you prefer a window seat? You'll often be asked when booking an air flight. Petals. Petals are the soft, colorful parts of a flower. They are usually surround the center of a flower. For example, the yellow petals of the sunflower look like the rays of the sun. Elegant. Elegant usually describes a manner or appearance which is graceful and attractive. For example, she looks so elegant when sitting behind the curtains. Atmosphere. Definition. The mixture of the mood of a place or situation that make you feel. For example, he put on some soft music in order to give the room a little more atmosphere. Celebration. Meaning. A special social event for a special day. For example, there were New Year's celebrations all over our street.
We reached a quick learn, quick apply. Let's practice. You have 10 seconds for each.
Aisle. Petals. The aisle is covered with pink rose petals. Elegant. The decorations are elegant, with many fresh flowers. Atmosphere. The blue ocean and sky make the atmosphere peaceful and joyful. Celebration. It feels like a perfect day for love and celebration. Here is the last version. The image shows a beautiful wedding on the beach, with colorful flowers and a calm ocean in the background. A clean white path covered with pink rose petals leads to a decorated arch where the officiant stands. Guests in light, formal attires sit in rows of white chairs, adding to the classy but relaxed feel. The bright blue sky, clear sea, and carefully chosen decorations create a warm, elegant, and joyful mood. This scene captures the feeling of a perfect wedding, mixing nature's beauty with love and celebration.
Let us review a few vocabs that we just heard.
Decorate. Its meaning is to add something to an object or place, especially in order to make it more attractive. For example, they decorated the Christmas tree in the living room. Arch, its definition, is a structure consisting of a curved top onto supports. For example, in many churches the side aisles are separated from the central aisle by a row of arches. Officiant. Explanation. Someone who performs the ceremony at a funeral or wedding event. For example, sometimes the officiant reads the vows, and the bride and groom repeat the words back. Attires. Explanation, especially of particular or formal cloths. For example, no one will consider jeans as appropriate attire for a wedding. Classy, meaning stylish or fashionable. For example, that pretty woman just got off from a classy car.
We reached a quick learn, quick apply. Let's practice. You have 10 seconds for each.
Decorate. Arch. Efficient. Attires. Classy.
Thanks for watching. Keep shining and see you next time.